WordPress and if WordPress is bad for SEO. I've seen people asking that online in forums if WordPress is bad for SEO, and it's certainly not. Although there's always updates every now and then to the Google's algorithm, but WordPress still works very well. It's a great tool to have your content SEO optimized, and here's some statistics about WordPress because so many trusters and uses WordPress. It's 810 million websites uses WordPress, which is 43% of all websites on the internet, and so on. So yeah, and I'm not going to read it all here on this side, but WordPress has a 64.2% share of the CMS market, which is more than 10 times greater than its closest competitor, and so on. Yeah, it's a whole lot of different statistics here, but I'm going to share something about SEO also about WordPress, and I'm going to add a thumbnail to a video where I done a more detailed blogging SEO tutorial as well. But I'm going to share now a plugin that can benefit your rankings with WordPress as well. SmartCrawl is a free plugin from WordPress that I recommend for SEO. It's a plugin I'm using myself on my blog, and it optimized, it's analyzed the SEO of your content. It's a SEO checker, and when you have it installed, you just download it. Download it and upload it as a zip file. You can go to this address, wordpress.org/plugin/smartcrawl line SEO. What it checks is it checks everything about your blog post. If the SEO title is properly length, if the SEO description has a good length, and your keyword density and all kinds of that stuff, and the quality of if you have backlinks or not that you need to have. You should backlink to your previous content that has to do with kind of the same thing. It's a good thing also to link to a page, someone else's page online that ranks at the top of the search results about the same topic with same keywords. But if it's a competitor, try to choose another site that ranks well as well, so you don't build someone else's income or something. But if you must link to competitor sites, make sure to set up the link as a no-follow link. So yeah, and write every blog post about 1,000 words at least. And yeah, and would you like your own business in a box, making 100% commission on the whole funnel, where you don't have to create any sales page, you don't have to create any funnels, you don't have to create any products, and earn 100% commissions? Then click the link below. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Bye bye.